This is how to submit errors with catalogs to JILD1, and also how to make screenshots. First thing is to determine which email you're going to send your error information and screenshot to. You need to know what catalog you're using, what is the store number that you're having a problem with, and we need detailed screenshots of the error. Note, make it big enough to see and read. Create a screenshot showing how to add them to Excel. First, here's your screen. Make sure you have Excel open. Go down about a box or so. That's going to take a picture of it, and Alt and print screen should look like this on your keyboard. Alt and print screen. Okay. Once you have Alt and print screen, open your Excel back up and do a Control V. That will put your screenshot into Excel. If you want to make it to where you can read it, click on one of the corners and drag it down, and then move it back over so it can be seen. This way you get more of the view in there. You can resize it to whatever size you need. And let's go ahead and take the next screenshot. What you want to do is just click once, and that drops everything down so you can see everything on the left hand side here. And we want to go ahead and do another Alt print screen. Go back to Excel and click on a box over to the side and do a Control V. That prints the next one. Then grab it and drag it so it just barely comes close to overlapping the slide bar. That way you can see in conjunction the slide bar here at the top, here in the middle, and then you can come down to the little dot if you need to and resize the screen. And then let's go ahead and slide the bar over. And let's go ahead and do one more screenshot so we get the full size of it in. And if there happens to be an error and there's a lot of information down here, we want to see that error, so grab and drag that up so we can see everything down here for your last shot. And then do the Alt print screen again. Go to Excel, slide over, click on one of the boxes, and do Control V as in Victor. And then go ahead and move it back over so it doesn't overlap the bar, but overlaps where you can see what's going on. And resize. Drag it over again. Alright, so this will make it easier for any of the testers and developers to be able to see what's going on and how the build of the door or window is, because it has all the information from starting one all the way down to the next area and to the very bottom. And if there is an error that you want to sort out and definitely show what the issue is, then click on Insert, and then click on Text Box, and then click on the left button on the mouse and drag down and then over to the right, and then that gives you a text box. You type in whatever the issue happens to be with detailed information in here if you can. You can make the box as big as you need to, and then go ahead and click out of the box, and let's say there's an error somewhere along the side. You go to Insert, Shapes, and then go to the little arrow, click on the side of the box, and then drag and drop the error to, let's say it was an issue with the size, and then you can make the arrow a different color so it stands out. Click on the box. Let's see, once you click on the box, it should give you an option where you can change the color so it stands out, and give it a bold. And then if you want to grant another arrow because there's another issue in that same one. Then go to shapes, arrow, and do another one. It's like, and let's see, let's go ahead and make this one a little thicker. And we could even outline this box so it kind of makes it red. You just have to go back to autofill and make it like so. So now this will stand out and it'll make it apparent what's wrong with the door besides trying to guess.